Lately, the concept of work has transformed dramatically, especially for stay-at-home moms seeking to balance family life with earning an income. With the rise of online opportunities, there's a plethora of jobs that offer flexibility and a decent income from the comfort of one's home. This video explores 20 such online jobs tailored for stay-at-home moms, detailing what they entail, the potential earnings, and how to get started. But before we go any further, yes, this is an AI voice, but a real person wrote this. I earned my financial freedom, and I'm not doing this for money. I don't like narrating videos, so I use an AI voice. Ignore that the voice is AI. The video is worth it. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Pinterest Manager. Job description: managing Pinterest accounts, creating graphics, handling posting, and analytics. Estimated earnings: initially, it will be around $45,000 per year. Getting started: familiarize yourself with design tools like Canva or Adobe Illustrator. Building a portfolio with sample Pinterest graphics can help attract clients. Number 2. Coach, life, health, etc. Job description: offering mentorship, classes, or sessions in various fields, such as health or life coaching. Estimated earnings: $30,000 to $60,000 per year, varying by niche and experience. Starting out, a certification in your area of expertise enhances credibility. Start by offering free sessions to friends or family to build testimonials. Number 3. Voiceover artist. Job description: voiceover artists lend their voice to various projects like audiobooks or animations. Estimated earnings: $20,000 to $60,000 per year, depending on projects. How to begin? Building a home studio is essential. Start by practicing with sample scripts and building a portfolio. Number 4. Transcriptionist. Job description: transcribing audio into written text, requiring fast typing skills and good grammar. Estimated earnings: $25,000 to $40,000 per year. Getting started. Develop your typing skills and understanding of transcription software. Starting with general transcription can be easier. Number 5. Font creator. Job description: designing and selling unique typefaces, combining artistic skills with typography. Estimated earnings: $20,000 to $50,000 per year, based on popularity. Starting tips: experiment with hand lettering or calligraphy. Use software like Procreate for digital creation. Number 6. Virtual assistant. Job description: performing a variety of tasks such as scheduling appointments, making calls, and managing emails. Estimated earnings: $20,000 to $35,000 per year. Starting out, enhance your organizational and communication skills. Familiarity with office software is a plus. Number 7. Remote travel agent. Job description: helping clients plan and book travel, including flights, accommodations, and experiences. Estimated earnings: $20,000 to $45,000 per year. Good knowledge of travel destinations and deals is essential. Strong communication and organizational skills are also important. Number 8. Flea market flipper. Job description: selling bought or found items for a profit, often through online marketplaces. Estimated earnings: $15,000 to $40,000 per year, depending on items and effort. Look for items at yard sales, thrift stores, or online marketplaces. Focus on items that are in demand and can be easily refurbished or resold. Number 9. Social media manager. Job description: managing social media accounts for businesses, creating posts, scheduling content, and engaging with followers. Estimated earnings: $25,000 to $50,000 per year. Knowledge in digital marketing and proficiency in social media platforms are crucial. Build a portfolio by managing your own accounts or volunteering for small businesses. Number 10. Online ESL tutor. Job description: teaching English as a second language to students online. Estimated earnings: $20,000 to $40,000 per year. Starting out, a TEFL certification or a degree in education can be beneficial. Platforms like VIP Kid or Cambly are great for finding students. Number 11. Proofreader. Job description. Proofreaders meticulously review and edit various types of content, including books, articles, and manuscripts, to ensure they are free from grammatical errors and are polished for publication. Estimated earnings: approximately $59,000 per year. How to begin? A strong command of the language and a keen eye for detail are essential. It's advisable to take an online course or certification in proofreading to enhance your skills and credibility in this field. Number 12. Market research participant. Job description. This role involves participating in market research by completing tasks like answering surveys, engaging in focus groups, testing products, and watching promotional videos. Estimated earnings: can earn up to a few $100s each month, depending on the number and type of studies participated in. Getting started. Sign up with various market research companies and be proactive in participating as many studies as you can. Number 13. Sell printables online. Job description: creating and selling digital printables such as checklists, planners, invitations, and educational materials tailored to specific niches or general needs. Estimated earnings: $5,000 to $20,000 per year. Starting tips: utilize design tools like Canva for creating attractive and functional printables. Etsy is a popular marketplace to sell these items, given its vast user base. Number 14. Data entry clerk. Job description. This involves meticulously entering and organizing data for businesses, which requires precision and attention to detail. Estimated earnings: around $34,000 per year. Starting out, develop quick and accurate typing skills. Familiarity with various data management systems can be an asset. Look for remote data entry job listings online. Number 15. Moderator. Job description. Moderators manage online platforms, ensuring that community guidelines are followed. This includes moderating discussions, approving posts, and sometimes managing conflicts within online communities. Estimated earnings: typically about $15 to $25 per hour. How to begin? Excellent communication skills and a good understanding of online community dynamics are crucial. Experience with social media and forum moderation tools is beneficial. Number 16. Pet sitting. Job description. Providing care for pets, including feeding, walking, and general companionship, either at your home or the pet owner's place. Estimated earnings: $10,000 to $25,000 per year, depending on the number of clients and the services offered. Starting tips: experience in pet care and a genuine love for animals are key. Platforms like Rover can help you connect with pet owners in your area. Number 17. Freelance writer. Job description. Writing content for various media, including blogs, websites, and magazines, covering a wide range of topics based on your expertise or assignments provided by clients. Estimated earnings: $15,000 to $50,000 per year. Develop a strong writing portfolio by contributing to blogs, websites, or creating your content. Familiarize yourself with different writing styles and SEO best practices. Number 18. Virtual organizer. Job description. Assisting clients in organizing their homes or offices virtually. This can include providing decluttering advice, planning organizational systems, or coaching clients through the organizing process via video calls. Estimated earnings: $15,000 to $30,000 per year. Starting out, strong organizational skills and knowledge of various organizing methods are essential. Proficiency in video conferencing tools and the ability to guide and motivate clients remotely are also important. Number 19. Tech support agent. Job description: providing technical assistance and support for various products or services. This could involve troubleshooting, guiding customers through solutions, or providing product information. Estimated earnings: $25 to $50,000 per year. How to start? Good technical knowledge in your area of expertise, along with strong problem solving skills and the ability to communicate clearly, are crucial. Familiarity with customer support tools and software is also beneficial. Number 20. Low content publishing. Job description: creating and publishing low content books, such as notebooks, journals, and planners. This involves designing the cover and interior pages, often with minimal text content. Estimated earnings: $10,000 to $30,000 per year. Starting tips: platforms like Amazon KDP make publishing and selling your books easy. Focus on researching popular niches and creating designs that appeal to your target audience. Best online jobs for moms. The world of online work offers a diverse range of opportunities for stay-at-home moms to earn an income while balancing family responsibilities. With dedication, skill development, and a bit of entrepreneurial spirit, these roles can provide both financial rewards and personal satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.